Hey there! Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who loves effortless curls that hold all day, then you're probably in the right place. Today, we're looking at a curling iron that promises to make your styling routine a whole lot easier. The Beachwaver S-Series Rotating Curling Iron. This curling iron is designed with a 1.25-inch ceramic barrel, perfect for creating those soft, voluminous waves or tighter curls, depending on your styling preference. What sets it apart is the rotating feature, which helps you curl your hair with just the press of a button. No more awkward wrist twists or sore arms. But is it as easy as it sounds? Let's dive in. The Beachwaver S-Series has a sleek design in a shade called Classic Catwalk, which is a nice touch for anyone who loves a bit of glamour in their styling tools. The ceramic barrel ensures that your hair won't get damaged or overheated during use, which is always a win when you're trying to keep your hair healthy while achieving the perfect curl. The 1.25-inch barrel is a nice middle ground, giving you those beachy, natural waves without going too tight or too loose. Now, let's talk real-world experience. I've been testing it out over the past few weeks, and the rotating feature is a game changer. It takes a bit of getting used to, but once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate how much faster you can style your hair. Simply press the button, and the barrel rotates in either direction, making curling super easy, especially if you're one of those people who struggles with wrist strain. When it comes to the actual curl, I found that it gives a soft, bouncy look that holds up well throughout the day. If you like a bit more volume, you can always hold the barrel in place a little longer for a tighter curl. But for me, it was all about those effortless waves, and it delivered on that front. One of the biggest wins is the quick heat-up time, so no need to stand around waiting for the iron to get hot. The ceramic finish ensures there's minimal frizz, even after a few hours, so your hair will stay shiny and smooth. Of course, no product is without its flaws. The barrel size, while great for most people, might be a little large for those who want tighter curls. If you're after super defined ringlets, this may not be your best choice. Also, it's a bit on the heavy side, which can make longer styling sessions a little tiring if you're someone who likes to take their time. In terms of value, the Beachwaver S-Series is definitely an investment. While it's priced higher than some of the more basic curling irons out there, it delivers a lot of ease and efficiency, especially for those with medium to long hair. If you're someone who styles their hair regularly, the convenience factor alone might make the price tag worthwhile. But if you're just looking for an occasional curl, you might be able to find a similar performance for less. When comparing it to other curling irons, the Beachwaver does have a unique edge with its rotating barrel, but other brands do offer competitive models that provide similar heat control and barrel sizes. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly, you might want to explore options from brands like Remington or Conair, which also offer ceramic-coated barrels and decent styling performance. Now, as for build quality, the Beachwaver feels solid and durable. The ceramic coating is smooth, and the overall design is user-friendly, especially with the rotating function. I haven't had any issues with it losing heat or malfunctioning after multiple uses, so it seems like it's built to last. As far as customer service goes, I've heard good things about the Beachwaver Co., handling customer inquiries and offering helpful support. So if you run into any issues, it seems like they're pretty responsive. If you've been eyeing the Beachwaver S-Series, but you're on the fence about the price, there are definitely more affordable alternatives that can give you a similar result. Brands like T3 and Hot Tools offer great ceramic curling irons, though they don't have the same rotating function. You'll still get the same smooth, frizz-free curls, but you'll miss out on that extra bit of convenience. To wrap it up, the Beachwaver S-Series rotating curling iron is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to add a bit of ease to their styling routine. The rotating barrel and quick heat-up time are definite pluses, especially if you're after those effortless, bouncy curls. Is it worth the investment? If you curl your hair often, yes, definitely. If you're more of an occasional styler, you might want to check out other budget-friendly options first. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.